I have a cheat code for you today. If you have been looking for ways to make money for the holidays instead of spending a ton of money, this video is going to be for you. So the moment that Christmas left, it was like Valentine's Day. It was everywhere. Okay, there's hearts, there's bears, there's candy. I got my Valentine's Day outfit on today because I'm going to help you make money for the Valentine's Day season. You can take this hack to use for any holiday, all right? Any holiday, and you can start making money online without spending a single dollar today. I'm talking about you ain't got to spend a dollar. All right, you don't need inventory, you don't need a trademark, you don't need your LLC right now, you don't need any of that to get started today. So if you have been putting this off, I need for you to go get a notebook, get your laptop, get your phone, and get ready to start making some money. All right, I have my phone because I want for you to see it while I'm doing it on the screen. And I hope that you can appreciate that I got my pink on for you today. I feel like I wear this every year because I don't have much pink, even though it's my favorite color. That's not important. I started selling t-shirts with no money. I didn't have any. And I really needed to scale my business up. I found Printify. I was able to start making so much money selling t-shirts, hoodies, all that good stuff. And now I love working with Printify because so many of my followers and people that watch me are making money from Printify too. So I would definitely say sign up. It's totally free. You don't even need a credit card. And once you do that, you will see what is on my screen. If you need for me to send you my link, you can just comment Valentine's Day money. I'll send it right over to you, or you can say Printify, whatever works for you. So once you log in, this is the first thing that we're gonna do. Go ahead and click on catalog. Now here is the cheat code. Every single holiday season, what you will see is bestsellers, new arrivals, and then whatever is trending is going to be in this area. All right, that means Christmas. That means 4th of July, back to school. Whatever is happening, you will see it up here. You don't have to go look through all of the products. And by the way, they have over 1,000. So there's a lot of products to choose from. And all you got to do is hit Valentine's Day. And we can see the products that are curated for the season. First and foremost, we got a woven blanket. I don't know about you, but it is cold everywhere. I'm in Atlanta and it's cold, okay? So the woven blanket for a little cuddle time. We got a t-shirt, of course. We got mugs. We got more blankets, phone cases. We got journals, stickers, wrapping papers, more blankets. The blankets are on deck. We got pillows. I don't know if you've seen, but now they have those pillows where you can like put your best friend or your boyfriend's faces on them and all of that. That'll be a great idea. Hint, hint. We got the charcuterie board, joggers, sweatpants, greeting cards. I don't know when Printify got champagne glasses, but okay. Not only that, you can engrave them. Now, this is a business that you can keep all year round, okay? That for the weddings, you can make some money with that. You got heart necklaces. I just did a video on that #1 best-selling products on Etsy. It's jewelry. Check that out. More wine glasses. Printify. The teddy bear is so cute. Heart cuff bracelet, candles. Okay, lots to choose from. We got the hidden message, the slippers, the heart-shaped mug. That is so cute. The keychains. So they have done the work for you. Like I said, you can do this for every holiday season. If you want to just make money for those quick bursts of holidays where people are excited, this is the way to do it. So let me see what products we're going to choose because this is tough because they're so cute. I'm just going to hit the candle and we're going to scroll down and we're going to hit start designing. Now, keep in mind, Valentine's Day is great for couples and all of that, but you can also do it for the singles. Okay, you can do self-love. You can do love of whatever you believe. So there are several ways to do it. You can also use text. You can use AI. It's built right in. You don't even know how to, you don't have to be a designer. You don't need any of that. You can design something for free on Canva. I can't even talk. You can design it for free on Canva, bring it here, upload it, and go from there. Let's see. As you can see, they already have texts that are available for us that you can just use. Let's see. I'm going to choose wholeness because that can be really cute for, that can be cute for a self-love theme. So if I change the color of this, let's change it to cranberry. And then make this smaller. Okay. You're gonna hit save. As you can see, I'm doing this on my phone, so it's much easier to do on like a laptop. Okay. You're gonna save that. And this is actually going to be engraved. So this is like a premium product that you can sell. And because I have wholeness, if it were me, this would be a complete self-love type of Valentine's Day brand. The AI has done all the work for you. So you already have a title, you already have a description, you can add a size table, you can even add personalization if you want to, so people can come up with their own self-love candles, all right? You will change your pricing down here. They have it where you can optimize your price with Printify. Take advantage of that. They'll show you all of the price data. And then you're going to come down here to publishing settings, hit connect a store. And you can see all of these sales channels are available, right? So Printify is your warehouse partner. Think of them like that. The only thing that they're doing for you, well, not the only thing, but they're doing the printing, the shipping, the packing, right? And they're sending it to your customers on your behalf. So now you need a sales channel to where your customers can find you. You can do this on Etsy, TikTok Shop, Shopify, any of those platforms, right? But if you want to start today for no money, as we talked about, you can launch the pop-up store the Printify has directly inside of here, right? And then what you're going to do is create a store name. We're going to say it's self-love. Somebody already has that, self-love 26. All right, you're going to put what country you're in, agree to the terms and conditions. You can see down here, you get a free website, 0 fees, monthly payouts, all in one, right? So you're not spending any money up front. You're going to get paid every single month without having to worry about paying anything up front, all right? Once you do this, you're going to hit continue and your store is created. You will take this store URL link, selflove26.printify.me, send that to all your friends and your family, post it on your social media channels, send it to influencers you want to work with, and your store is live. Okay. Again, you can do this over and over and over again for each holiday. You can keep your store up. You can sell in multiple places. You can do whatever it is that you want to do. Over 1,000 products to choose from. It is your world if you want to sell products online. And yes, people are still buying. All right. So if you have any questions about this and you are excited about making money for Valentine's Day, leave me a comment. Let me know what you're interested in. Let's talk about it. Let's chat. Make sure that you subscribe. Thumbs this up and go make you some money. All right. I'll see you in the next video.